Right, hi guys, it's Super Steve Gaming here. Sorry my table's a little bit not clean, but I haven't got time to do this. We're in a rush. And hi guys, it's me, Super Steve Gaming here again. So I've just lost a bit of this footage, but let me show you a bit. Just move this out the way. Actually, set this on my chair. Just getting this open. This, what matters is what's in here. Right, here. That's what you've all been waiting for. It's what is inside of this. No, I can't get this box. It's what we have here. A brick. No. A charger. Yeah, this gives it all away. And in this little bag, an Apple Watch. We just got ourselves an Apple Watch Series Sport. So let's just take the elastic band off this. I like to keep these, you know, they're memorable. Like, oh, I remember this. I'll be like, why was this elastic band here? And it's like, oh, that's the one around my Apple Watch charger. So let's set this up. Let's set this rubber band aside. So, you know, let's get the charger. Set this here. So, let me go show you my plug. Just give me. Alright, so we got this here. So let's go plug this in. And let's set this on. It's turning on. It's turning on. I'm on my phone at the moment, so I can't really film the setup of me getting my phone. Right now I haven't got a strap, but tomorrow I should have my strap delivered. I'm going to unbox the strap. So I'm going to do an unboxing of my strap. It'll come from Amazon tomorrow.
Two hours later.
And it has been set up. Here it is, guys. With the strap, we already have an active just wallpaper. Here goes the home screen. But I'm not going to show you too much. We're going to unbox the strap. And we're going to go back to showing you what kind of stuff I've got on my Apple Watch. So, yeah.
The next day.
Guys, did my best to try and hide all of the information. So, let's just self-explanatory. Just get that open. Throw this away. And here is our strap. Wow. Wow. The beautiful thing. I ended up going with you know, with the space black. I did a vote for it on my Instagram, so if you're not following me, what's wrong with you? I'm new to this whole thing. Fix in. And now this should in theory click in. There we go. Oh, I must have to go the full way, you know. I got some tiny wrists. Right, don't mind my Mancon wristband. Just adjust it to the full length we need it to go. And it doesn't look that bad. Alright. So that's going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a big fat thumbs up. And you can see in the background, kind of open again anyway. So yeah, I might have some more unboxings at some point. I don't know when, I don't know what. Maybe Christmas we'll do another unboxing. I still have to upload my 2DS unboxing, so that might come soon. But yeah, if you like this video, as I said, thumbs up. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. I don't care. And subscribe if you're new to my channel. Bye. And one last thing. I forgot that.